Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of this game series, so it means English Chess Federation 2025, also known the name of this tournament, British Chess Championship 2025. So 2025 British Chess Championship. So I will choose of this one of these best games here from this one. So today is round number 6 from this one. So how many clocks from these chess clocks, or maybe 1 hour 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment, so it means round robin or long game from this one. So it means the theme of this one from Georgia, so it means London. I thought London from this one. And also between my favorite players from this woman grandmaster in Georgia is Lan Yao. So she was a beautiful, pretty, and she was a focus, skills, and talent by chess without concentration, or maybe without focusing by mathematicians, without masters. And she loves a traveling and fashion show from this one. And also the verses by candidate master from this little teenager boy by Georgia is Jan Moralski from this one. So in this part of this video from this today's round number 6 and also analyze of this one in 2025 English Chess Federation from this British. So white plays Lan Yao is e4, e5 Jan, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering Socopiano and d3. So it means main line is c3 only. So c3 by Yoko Piacinimo here. So it means Yoko Piacinimo d3 by Lanyao from this one, and knight to f6 here, or maybe without idea by castling inside the little teenager boy. So little teenager boy here, and knight c3 by ready by castling by Lanyao. So castling kingside by king. And also a6 without no more by bishop to b5 without attacks the knights, threatening the knights here, and bishop g5 by Lanyao, or maybe without threats by knights or queen. So it means without queens here. And also h6 with a threat the bishop backwards, bishop h4, g5 threats the bishop backwards only, d6, by d6 by use, or maybe here by bishop to g5. So move by next maneuver by the little teenager boy, and knight d2 by next maneuver is knight to b3 by Lanyao. So maybe not yet ready by castling kingside. So I don't know what's the next from this one. And knight a5 or threats the bishop or counters attacks the bishops here from this one, and pawn h4, without attacks by the pawns. So it means the pawns here, and bishop g4, so it means these are novelty, the little teenager boy, so it means novelty. So these are the old main lines here, so it means good novelty is knight captured bishop, and also b5, and also castling. So castling kingside. So new novelty, the little teenager boy is bishop to g4, novelty without, or maybe without threats the queens. So threatening the queens here, and also pawn f3, good move by Lanyao, threatening the bishop, knight takes captured bishop, knight takes captured. So what do you think if you capture this pawn takes bishop? So what do you think from this one? And knight takes captured. So threatening but the queen. So threatening the queens here. So it means, so do not capture this pawn takes bishop. So these are the threats here. So it means avoid. So it means knight takes captured with the idea to captured by knight takes captured, and knight h5, good move the little teenager boy with the idea by attacks the bishop from this one, and Backwards bishop h2, so it means does not one of this computer. So it means the first mark given bad move. So it means the best moves there is bishop backwards f2. So these are the slightly betters because these are backwards. So slightly better goods from whites here from this one. So bishop h2 by backwards by Lanyao and backwards bishop e6, g4 attacks the threats the knights and knight f4 with the strongest by little teenager boy. So it means without knights or without controls or without focusing by here by blacks here and bishop takes captured knight, pawn takes captured bishop or capture this one. So these are examples here. Queen to e2 or maybe without queen e2 by Lanya with idea by ready by castling queen side. So it means get ready by castling from this one. So it means so according by continuous here from this one. And also h5 with idea by captured the pawns. So threatening the pawns here. So according this one, these are determinations by this one from these solutions here from this one and decided push to semi-close by g5 by Lanyao here from this one and also f6 without ready by captured the bishop pawns or g takes f6. So so G takes f6 by pawn. So these are the bad voice breath. So it means pawn takes captured and maybe without pawn. So by ready by pawns. So ready by pawns without captured. So these are the f6 pawns with the attacks by pawns here. And decided takes by pawns, capture this pawn. Queen takes captured pawns and castling queenside by Lanyao. So without Lanyao or castling queenside and the castling queenside the little teenager boy by John Murawski from this one from Candidate Masters and decided knight a5 by Lanyao here from this one and also rook to h8 with idea by little teenager boy or maybe by rook to g6 or maybe here by rook to g3. So next solutions by maneuvers by rooks here. And decided this Lanyao queen king b1. So why moves by king b1? Because these are the forced move with the move side by king b1 by Lanyao. So same by good solutions. And rook to g3 by little teenager boy by John with idea by battery. With a battery. So next controls here. And also knight e4 with idea by attacks the threats the bishops. So threatening the bishops here and bishop e3 and queen a1. With a queen e1 or maybe with idea to queen to b4 threatening the pawns or the check. So the next solutions here and decided bishop to d7 with idea by threats the knights. So threatening the knights here from this one and decided this one knight c3 good decides by Lanyao or next maneuver is knight to d5 with that threats the bishop threats the queens. But next solutions here from this one and decide this rook takes captured pawns. We have one pawn down by Lanyao. So one pawn down here and knight d5 by Lanyao with idea to threatening the queen and next threatening the bishop. So these are controls or maybe without move side. Next maneuver is queen to b4 with the idea upcoming mating net. So coming mating nets here from this one and decided is queen backwards f7 and also queen b4. So it means without queen b4 by Lanya with idea by threatening mating net. So threatening without upcoming by threatening mating net because these are the move by stay by knight to a5. So knight a5 here from this one and decided bishop to c6 by no more mating nets here and knight takes captured bishop. Pawn takes knight or maybe without bad weak gets pawn. Doubles by pawns or pawn threats by threat the knights here. So threatening the knights, and knights here without threats the bishop. So next solutions by continuations here according this from the determinations, and Lanyard knight takes captured bishop, pawn takes knight. With the idea to almost move by push to a2 attacks this rook by next solutions here. Rook he1 without rook pairs, and rook g8 without next by rook to g3 without third rank. So third rank from this one, and pawn to d4, capture this pawn, queen takes captured, and decided this queen f4. So queen f4 by it's normal from this one. So it means the little teenager boy, so it means bad move. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the best moves there is one is rook to e8. So rook e8 here from this one too. So it means these are the slightly better from blacks here. So so it means the back the little teenager boy is queen f4 bad move. So it means the bad move here, and good move queen c4 by Lan Yao. Without good move, or maybe with idea by threats the rooks, without threat the pawns, or check. So without check or threatening by pawns. So these are the third three threats here in this one. And also rook e8. With idea by without catch the pawns or threats the queens here, because these are the queens by behinds. So behinds this one, and queen takes captured, and decided attacks the rooks and pawns, or maybe that check. So check by this one by targets, and queen takes captured without queen to queen, and queen takes captured check, and queen b7 without another queen to queen, and ignoring by Lan Yao, rook f5, and also rook takes captured sacrifice. Sacrifice by rook takes captured. So it means captured rook takes captured sacrifice. So this pawn cannot capture this rook. These are the queens, or check. So check by continuation. So it means these are the sacrifice by rooks, and beside battery rook fe5, and backwards rook t3 and e2. So e2 is another good move by little teenager boy by Chan, and also pawn a3 and queen b6 here, and also queen f7 and queen to a5. So it means another bad move by little teenager boy from this one. So the best moves there, this one is queen to b5 here. So it means no more by check. So no more by check here from this one. So queen b5 from this solution. So these are the slightly good betters here. So it means the back there is queen a5 here by little teenager boy, and queen d7 check. So it means good move by Lan Yao. King b7, rook b3 check, king a7, and rook b4, and rook to a4 without rook to rook. So it means another bad move by little teenager boy. So the best moves there is one is backwards rook to 5 e7. So rook 5 e7 here. So so never mind, these are the I don't know, never mind this evaluation bar. So it's okay, it's wrong. And back there is rook e4 by little teenager boy by Chan Murawski, and decided pawn to c4, and rook 4 e7. So another last puzzle. So what do you think the last puzzle winning by this one whites before resigns by black pieces by candidate master? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The last shot, Queen C6 without upcoming by mating nets here, so it means resigns by candidate master little teenager boy. So why? Because upcoming by mating nets from this one. So so it means I knew Lanyao is a win from this one. So winning by woman grandmaster Lanyao from Georgia. So so currency score by 90.6 by Lanyao and the score by John Moroski, the little teenager boy 85.3. So winning by WGM Lanyao. So I hope this part of this video here from this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe my accounts Mark Luagi 17, my English translation, and part 2 of this Tagalogs and Cebuano. Don't forget to subscribe by Mark Luagi 17 part 2. And don't forget to view. Just watch my chess videos, my videos here. So I hope I understand you. I hope you understand to learn about the experience by this chess here by focusing the determinations. So have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Good night.